Bismillah Rahman Rahim. This is, you know, October 2011, 43 variant question number 6, and topic is a rings. Okay, before I start, I want to tell you some basic idea. So whenever a rod is like this, okay, and so weight is downwards, and this is how we can say mg, and r will be the upwards. Very clear approach. But if the this rod is not like this, rod is like this, okay, then what is a, so it means naturally this is a two component tension and 30 degree, okay. So one force will pull this rightwards this way, okay, and this is component is 30 degree. We can call T cos 30. And what about this? T is sine 30. But you know, students, this force will pull the ring outwards. In the reaction, R will be inside. So some people think that like this weight downwards, what's the mass? 2 kilogram into 10. So we got this weight is acting downward 20 newtons. So some students think R is upward, same like this. Not at all. Not at all. Make sure this is a because if a table is, if some particle is placed on table, weight downwards and r upwards. And if the case of the rod is like this, then weight downwards and normal reaction upwards. But if we have a rod like this vertical rod, so r never upwards, so make sure, okay, so it means r never upwards, so r is always inwards, and this r is balanced by this force. I think point is very clear. And if you pull, for example, this is a rod and you're pulling this way, so r will be this way. I think very clear approach, because this R is exactly opposite to that one. So if the pull this way, R is in this side. If pull is rightward, R left side. If pull is left side, R is right side. I think point is very clear. So I think this concept is clear. So main problem students are facing, they face here, way is R, where the normal reaction reacts. Okay, this is the main point. So I think this part is clear. Rest is not a hard job. And read the statement now further. Coefficient of the friction is given by him is 0.24. So mu is given in this question 0.24. And tension in the string is given by him is tension here. Coefficient friction given, and find the two possible values of tension for which limiting equilibrium. It means it is about to move, okay, but not moving. So acceleration is confirmed zero. Now we have, say, he said two values, so two possibilities. If this force is very small, it's called least force, okay, least force, then it will about to move down. And if this force become a little bit more, and such a big force that it is about to move up, then friction will be downwards. So it means I will make this diagram two times, okay. I'll make this diagram two times. Wait a minute, and you can see here two times I make this force T newtons, and you can see here this is a ring here. Okay, this diagram I'm going to copy two times. So one time I'm copying here, okay, students, and one time I'm copying here. So two sport diagrams we have basically. Okay, one about to move down. If they say about to move down, about to move down, about to move down, so friction will be naturally upwards. And one is that if, and this is called least force. How to read it? Least force, least, because least force about to move down. And if the largest force come, largest force is about to move up. If about to move up, about to move up, about. So ways of friction, friction will be the downwards, is a very clear approach. So it means about to move down, friction upward, about to move up, friction downwards. So friction is just opposite to the a motion or about motion, about to move. So we have now two parts. We have 8 mark question. So I can say clearly, because this force will equal to r. This is both concept. This is equals to each other. So I'm writing down here on top. R is equals to T cos 30. And cos 30 is basically equal to root 3 over 2. Root 3 over 2. Root 3 over 2. And what is the formula of friction? F is equals to mu R. Okay, we can find mu r also, mu and r. And what is the mu value is given by him 0.24. So if I put 0.24 and times 2 root 3 and divide by 2. So I'm getting the friction force acting is 0.2078 newtons. So I got two parts. I got a normal reaction, okay, and I got a frictional force. Make sure the component in both diagram remain same. So I can say here this component equal to that and this component equal to this one. So I'm starting now. I can say clearly what is this upward and these two downwards. So I'm writing here t sine 30 is equal to F plus 220. Repeat my word. This upward force equal to downward forces. But T sine, what is sine 30? If you check it, it's called half. You can check in calculator. So T by 2. And what is the friction force I just got on top is coming with me 0.20, 0.20, but hold on. R is we have to, this is a normal, but we have to say here, so this t involvement there, so it means we have to involve here r value. This is coming t I missed, so t is also component. So because r value, this completely comes here. Once again, let me check 0.24 times 2 root 3 and divide by 2. So this is a 0.278, t must be there. So now I'm going to copy here f is mu r, so 0.2078 t plus 20. I think point is very clear. I'll bring this whole component here, so t over 2 negative 0.2078 t equal to 20. What is common from here? T common. What left here? Half left from here. So zero point 0.5 minus 0.2078. And this will go and divide there. So I can find it easily. So 20 divided by this component. So if I find it, so let's see 0.5 minus this and 20 divided by answer. And I'm getting here 68 point, let me check, 68.5 newtons. So we got, this is called because about to move up, so it's called largest force. Okay, and now I'm going to do the same story here. So this plus this equal to 20. So I'm writing here t sine 30 plus friction equals to 20. Now I'm going to do same story, and sine 30 is a half, so t over 2, and friction value is what? Friction value remains same, zero point 0.2, because this and this is same. This will not change. So 0.2078 t is F is equal to mu R value is equals to 20. And what is common from here? Zero point 0.5 from here, 0.2078 and equal to 20. And if I divide it there, so what I get? Zero point 0.5 plus 0.2078 and 20 divided by this answer, and I'm getting this time 28.3 newtons. So I hope so the concept is very clear. Finally, one time again, I just check it. Zero point 0.5 minus 0.2078, and what answer I'm getting here? So 20 divided by answer. So I think the point is very clear, and we have done completely, questions done completely, alhamdulillah.